Go!
Be under arrest. Stand up. You want to do a long time, boy?
That's not mine. None of that's mine.
Well, you got drugs, you got 3 IDs.
None of that's mine. I swear. It's not.
Okay.
So, have you seen this woman? You sure about that?
Yeah.
Well, I seen you with her 2 nights ago, the night she came up murdered.
It might be my voice.
How do you know if it's her woman or not? Do you notice this woman?
Possible.
Really?
Yeah, crackhead.
Okay, well, all my information seems to point up that you are the murderer.
Well, I'm not.
Are you sure about that? Take him to jail. Don't drop the soap. Bring him here. Set him right in this chair, please. Now, you don't tell us the truth what happened that night, you're going to be cleaning up the street for the rest of your life.
That's fine.
Choose your own.
Oh, wait. You're supposed to unhandcuff me.
Oh, I'm
That's
sorry.
fine, don't.
I'm sorry. Oh, hey, you must be the person transporting the body.
Yeah.
Why don't you come in here so I can ask you a couple questions real quick?
Alright.
Hey, this little moron. Alright, I'm gonna search your okay, make sure you ain't got any paraphernalia or anything. Ooh, what do we got here? This seems to be the picture of the murdered girl. Why do you have this picture?
I don't know. Where would I have it?
I don't know, I found it in your pocket.
Yeah.
Why don't you come over here and I can have a talk with you?
Alright.
There's only 2 minutes left. So why do you have this picture?
I don't know.
Well, this girl came up murdered and that's kind of fishy because you have blood all over your hands. And we ain't found the body yet, so... Alright, well, you're under arrest for first degree murder. Come with me. Sorry for the confusion, Mr. Carter. It seems that you were innocent all along.
Yeah.
Alright, well, here you go.
See you later, crackhead.